Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Andrea and this is Beauty with Andy. Thank you so much for joining me today. So today we're just going to be doing the last look with the Juvia'S Place, the Douce eyeshadow palette. So I've done a look with pretty much everything in the top row. Then this bottom row here, I don't think I've used custard here, and I don't think I've used chocolate, but we're just concentrating on doing 3 looks with this palette. So today I think, because this is an eyeshadow I'm really not sure about, this Mont Blanc shade, I think I'm going to be concentrating on that. Maybe using tart as well, like in the inner portion of the eye. Let's get into it. So let me just put some white chocolate on my lids just to set that NYX base. Where's my... Right, let me go and get a mirror. Okay, so now we're set. So I'm just going to go in with the white chocolate shade from the Too Faced chocolate bar. Right, so that's that. Right, and then we will go in with Berry Mousse, this one. Sure, I've used that before in another look. I'm just gonna try and use this Smashbox brush rather than going in with the cargo brush and just seeing what it looks like. I'm sure it showed up a little bit more with the cargo brush, but it is just a slight wash of colour, so we don't really need it to be too pigmented. Don't you just love it when you've got people shouting outside your window when you're trying to film? Absolutely love it. Hopefully I'll be able to do something about that in editing. If not, you know the drill. I am really sorry, but there's nothing that I can do about it. And to be honest, it's not early. I mean, I'm putting my makeup on. Like my face makeup's been on a while, but my eyeshadow, I'm putting that on at like 8 o'clock in the evening, just before I go to my mum's. Just because I wanted to test these eyeshadows out. Right, so that's fine. Yeah, let's go in with Crepes, that shade there. Yeah, that's deepening it out a bit. Really nice. And part of me wants to use this pink as well, just to kind of like buff it all out. That one is called Creme. I absolutely love that shade, guys. Kind of like here. Oh, I've gone in a bit heavy-handed. Just to buff it out a bit. That looks pretty. This shade is probably one of the most used eyeshadows in the entire palette. But it is an absolutely beautiful pink. It's like a pinky, peachy shade. That looks absolutely beautiful. I wasn't even intending on doing that. I'm glad I've done that. Right, let's find the accent brush. Might have to spritz it. So yeah, we're going in with Mont Blanc now. I mean, it's not looking too bad. It's looking a bit sheer. But it might look better when we've spritzed it. I'm going to go in with some of the Tarte shade just on the inner corners. Right, so Tarte is very, very flaky. I'm going to put that on the tear duct as well. Wow, that's pretty. Then we're going to do the exact same thing on the other eye. Right, and then we're going to go in with Tarte again. Which doesn't seem to be as pigmented for whatever reason. That's nice. I think I'm going to spritz it and see what we can do with that pigmentation. Okay, so I'm just going to spritz it with this Primark setting spray, which seems to be lasting forever. It's because I don't use it a lot. We're going to go in with Mont Blanc. I love that Tarte duochrome. Now I've actually managed to get it to work a little bit better. It's really nice. I was actually thinking about decluttering this palette, guys. I'm definitely going to keep it. I do only have 2 palettes from Juvia'S. I do want to get that the violets. That looks an amazing palette as well. But yeah, this look so far is looking great. Not too sure about the lipstick I'll be wearing. I'm just gonna spritz the brush again and go in with Tarte and try and get that more pigmented. It is a bit chunky. Oh yes, it's getting more pigmented now though. That's pretty. Super pretty. Right, so now take that off. And I think what I'm going to do first is go in with crepes, and then I think I will go in with creme on the lash line. So let's try that. Let's see how that looks. I'm not going to go right to the tear duct because I don't want to ruin what that looks like. That's nice. Let's just take that off, and then we'll go in with a creme. Yes, so pretty. Right, so now I just need to go and get my eyeliner and mascara. Right, so let's start by tight lining. Is there a hair there? Yes. Literally gets everywhere. I've got the shakes. I've not had any tea yet. I don't know why I've left it this late tonight. I need to make something in a minute. Right, and I have found a lipstick, one that will hopefully stay on. So we've got this NYX Lingerie in the shade Exotic. Yeah, Exotic. Really like this one. That is stunning. I really like those NYX lip lingerie. So this is what we're looking like. So yeah, I like the overall look. I think it looks nice, and I will definitely be keeping this little beauty in the collection. Look at the artwork, guys, it's absolutely beautiful. I do genuinely think though that this shade here and this shade, the formula is something wrong with them. The formula is always, I've always had issues with it, yeah. Whenever I watch somebody else's videos when they're using it, they're really pigmented, but I'm glad that I found a way to get them both working. So yes, I'll be keeping this in my eyeshadow collection. This concludes the video, guys. Thank you so much for taking the time out to watch. I really do appreciate your support on the channel. Please like, subscribe, share and comment, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.